Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can turn off the participants video on entry. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in BlueJeans and then just go right top corner to your name and then just click profile. And right when you have it, you want to click on settings. And here you want to just scroll down below. And now you're gonna see here, turn off participants video on entry. So this is how you do it. And then just click save changes. And settings saved successfully. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah. Have a great day and goodbye.